Hey guys, happy Canada Day. It's the LANMonkeys. We are going to celebrate Canada's Sesquicentennial. That's our 150th anniversary of being a country with you by taking some of our awesome, cool American friends on an amazing #geocache road trip through just a little tiny corner of our part of Canada. So come along for the adventure. So if you're gonna go for a hike on Canada Day and do a #geocache road trip, you gotta stop at your Timmy's. So we did our Timmy's stop, fueled up. Our first stop here is at Bridal Falls. So come along, we'll check it out with you guys as our first stop on our #geocache road trip, celebrating Canada's Sesquicentennial. Let's see the look of success.
Canada Day! Sesquicentennial.
Hey guys, next stop on our #geocache road trip on Canada Day here. We are stopping with our American friends at Alexandra Bridge. It is the original highway crossing across the Fraser River up past Hope, and we're just about at the bridge. It's a really neat spot, and of course there's a geocache, but check that out. Pile of branches. Oh, that sounds good.
And something that says geocache.
Ah. Hey, look at that symbol on the side. That looks familiar. This might be your very first Gold Country geocache.
It is. It's an official geocache of Gold Country tourism.
We're here with our podcasting friends from Tacoma, continuing this #geocache road trip.
Hashtag.
There you go. We are going to go check out this cool little waterfall over here. We are just outside of Spence's Bridge, British Columbia. It's probably about as far north as we're going to go today as we loop back around, but let's go check out the waterfall here.
Where's the bridge?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Woo! Crazy bunch of mosquitoes here. All right, guys, well, just outside of Merritt, looking for another Gold Country geocache here. I don't know, what do you think?
I don't know where to look. Let me see if this looks like anything here. No, it's just a pile of sticks.
It literally was just a pile of sticks. Weird. So take.
Near that rock. Where was it? They kind of buried it.
Grrr. Bad geocache. All right, so a stop at Timmy's in Merritt. We got our iced caps. We're ready to hit the road, do some more #geocache road trip. Let's check out some other cool places in Gold Country. Having fun?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
we're having fun.
Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day.
So we are at Brookmere Station on the old KVR line, and I think we've got a geocache find. Chris of the Northwest. Got another Gold Country geocache. Nice work, guys.